As you guys can see, it's like really shiny.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title of the video, or by my hair, look at my hair, by the title and by my hair looks, you guys know what I'm about to do today. So basically I am going to be doing a hair mask, something I swear by if I get my hair cut and I just want it to grow back super fast, long, healthy, and just like, you know, frizz free and everything. I use this once a month. So I just want to show you guys my home remedy. This is all natural products that you can use at home. You probably got it in your fridge right now. You probably don't have the oil, but you guys can go get the oil. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I make it, and I already parted my hair in four before we start this video. But before we do get into this video, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video for me, please. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload when I upload. And make sure you guys jump in the comment section below what videos you guys would like to see next. Let's get straight into this video. First step, I am going to make the products you guys can see, and then we're going to get straight into this video. So once the product is made, I am going to just, you know, roll up my sleeves because you don't want to get a little bit dirty. And I have the product right here. Ooh, we got the egg, we got the egg, we got the egg. It's really, really thick. You will need your comb, your wide tooth comb, okay? And then you will need a plastic bag. Any type of bag, Kroger's, Walmart, HEB, any type of plastic bag, just to secure and just lock in the moisture. And then you will need a shower after, and then you will need, you know, 4 little things just so you can part your hair. I part mine's in 4, so like this, just like a cross. And then I am going to just take the egg and I'm just going to apply it straight into my hair. so bad. And then what I do is after I have it all, you know, moisturized up and all fully covered in egg, mayonnaise, and oil, I just, you know, wrap it like this, and then I just do like a little donut or a little bantu knot, whatever y'all want to call it. Just, you know, clip it back in, just like that. Alright, you guys, so after the product is all fully in my hair, my little bantu nuts or whatever you want to call it is like just everywhere. I can take these out, so I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna go through my hair, massage it, because I'm telling you guys, massaging your hair makes your hair grow. So when somebody's massaging it or something, your hair, your follicles, it's just like, you know, it feels so good, so your hair grows. So I'm just gonna take these out, make sure I got all the egg into my scalp, and then we're going to, you know, keep it moving. Okay, you guys, this stinks and I feel disgusting. Like, I feel like egg is just running down my legs and everything. So I'm just gonna, you know, massage, massage, massage. And also, if you guys want to use the exact oil I use because it stimulates hair growth, I can put their link in the description below. It's not a, you know, it's not a promotion or anything. I actually bought it, but you know, sometimes you just do things out of heart. So I will just, like, you know, drop the oil link in the description below. You can even take more and just dip your fingers and, you know, put it on your scalp, because you don't want to waste none of this. You want to, like, you know, literally drench your hair. This might get a little bit messy, but I'm gonna honestly just pour some into my, okay, all right, wait. Ooh, it almost got caught. Massage it in my hair. You can also just, if you only have egg, you could just use egg, you know. I'm just going to bunch this all together. You can use like one clip just to make sure that it stays together like that. And then I'm gonna take my plastic bag, Kroger bag. Try not to hurt yourself now. And I'm just gonna, you know, put my hair into it. So now that my hair is all tied up into a bag, just wait 20 to 30 minutes. I just usually like to go a little longer just to make sure that nothing is missing and everything is getting moisturized equally. So just wait till 20 to 30 minutes and then you can rinse it out. So I'm going to take this off. It's literally like dripping. Like, it's dripping everywhere. It feels so disgusting. So we're gonna take it off and make sure when you get in the shower, you rinse it with cold water to lock in the moisture. Because if you rinse it with hot water, it will cook your hair. Not like cook your hair, but the eggs will cook into your hair. So make sure you rinse it out with cool water and then just do your regular wash and condition and wash up and wash your face, everything. So I'm gonna get in the shower and then I will be right back to show you guys the results. Alright, you guys, so after I get out the shower, my hair is still wet, but it feels like super soft. As you guys can see, it's like really shiny. I'm telling y'all, it's that egg. So what I do is I just comb through my hair, you know, just comb through it, and once it dries up, I don't like put towels on my head because that's bad for your hair. But once my hair is fully air dried, I take the oil that I used in the beginning of the video, the mixture. I take the oil and I go through my hair, and then I don't wash my hair for another week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and just comment in the comment section below how did it do for your hair if you tried it. And you guys, I need to like lotion up and everything because my face is like super ashy and everything. I just need to finish because your girl's about to be chilling since I ain't got nothing to do. Alright, you guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.